Hello, in this video we are going to merge duplicated vertices. Those are vertices that are stacked. On the first video I will demonstrate what it is, and in the second one I will show you how to get rid of them. Doing this will make your model working properly and usable. Enjoy the guide. This white dot is a vertex. During the modeling phase it accidentally has been duplicated and therefore we are having two vertices on top of each other. When we move the upper vertex, the lower one is revealed. As you can see, there was another one under the first one, and this can cause some major problems into our model, and it is better to get rid of those. On the next video I will show you how to. First of all, we have to go to edit mode. And from there we need to click the option, select. And from submenu choose the option, all. Now we have chosen all the vertices, edges, and faces of our object. Then we need to select the option, mesh. And from the submenu of it select the option, merge. And from its submenu the option, by distance. From the blue message you are able to check how many duplicated vertices was on your model and now has been merged. Now every vertex that has been underneath of each other have been merged into the same vertex. And therefore we don't have loose vertices on our model, and it is solid piece of work. Thank you for watching the guide.